Hello everyone, this is my oral presentation of English Level 2. First, my personal presentation. Second, my travel experience to Calima. Third, the weather and recommendations in Calima. Finally, recommendations for planning a trip to Calima. First, personal presentation. This is me. My name is Juan Camilo Rengifo Romero. I am 28 years old. I live in Tuluá, Valle del Cauca. I am single. I am a software developer. I love sports and practice volleyball. Second, my travel experience to Calima. Last vacation I was in Calima, Darién, in a camping area called Mystic Paradise. I was there with my girlfriend Jenny. The place was magical. I really liked that place since it included a complete plan of accommodation, diners, breakfast, and lunch. I had bars game areas. I had a minibar. With my girlfriend, we decided to adhere the water attraction plan with the jet ski and the little walk. We were there for 2 days and 1 night. The night was a bit cool, but we enjoyed a comforting fire. For the holidays, we paid the value 250,000, and we agreed to return as it was on the best experience. Second, third, the weather and recommendations to consider to Calima. The weather in Calima is tropical. There is a significant rainfall throughout the years. The average annual temperature is 19.9 degrees Celsius. The recommendation: it is important that people take refuge at home when there is strong winds. It is recommended that children use sunscreen when they go to the pool. It is recommended that people carry umbrellas on cloud days. It is better that we stop and protect ourselves on rainy days. It is recommended that parents take care of their children when they cross the street. Third, finally, recommendations for planning a trip to Calima. The people should purchase a plan that includes stay, meals, and different weather attractions. People should not leave children alone near the lake. The adults should be aware of children at all times. Thank you very much.